What I would suggest that you do is you can actually activate that all by yourself right now. If you go to peerspot.com, excuse me, let me correct that, peerspot.ai, right? You should be able to log on and that will give you the PeerSpot.ai user interface, which then will go and directly access all of your reviews. And you can actually go ask it, create a peer story, and you can give it parameters on what is it a particular customer or is it a particular industry or company size, whatever, and they'll give you options. And basically, the options are based on how many reviews you have, right? If you only have one review, you only have one option. But you should be able to do that right now by going to peerspot.ai. And like I said, because you're an existing customer, if you're actually having what we call the voice of the customer, then if you have the voice of the customer package, then you are licensed. And then all you have to do is you download it. It's ready to go right then and there. So no longer do we have to send it to you. You can actually just go to peerspot.ai and access it there and create it. If it's not, please reach out to your customer success manager, or you can, direct message me or send me a message as well. But you should be able to do it right now. So go check it out and let us know how it works. I'd love to hear from you. And also, if you go use it, I'd love to have your feedback personally. Just jennifer.geisler@peerspot.com, and I'd love to have your feedback.